Hello, roommates. It's Jelana, and you're watching part 2 of our Snowman Gift Bag project. Let's start by getting our craft bag taped to this mat. I'm going to be placing this bag upside down because the handles won't slide underneath the Cricut bar. I'm using the ruler marks on the mat to line everything up. I don't want the bag to be pushed all the way to the edge, so I'm going to leave a little bit of space for a cleaner alignment. Notice I'm using electrical tape because it holds the bag in place without ripping it. You see how gently it comes up? It's just there to secure, not to permanently stick. Now we're going to grab all 4 colors from part 1 and place them onto a single mat. We have our silver glitter cardstock for the snowflake and stars. That is going to be placed on the top left. We have our orange cardstock for the carrot nose, which is going to be on the bottom left. We have our red cardstock for the snowman's mouth, which will be placed on the bottom right of our mat. And then in the top right corner, we're going to place our black cardstock for the eyes and text. Everything should be placed in the same spot that you move them in on screen. Slide your mat into the machine and allow it to size. After sizing is complete, you'll press the flashing go button to start. Quick reminder, be sure to remove your pen tool if it's still loaded. The machine needs to do the scoring pass first. Because we selected the scoring stylus but didn't actually insert one, the scoring step becomes an imaginary motion. The blade simply moves through the scoring path without marking up anything. Once that finishes, you'll load your pen and let the machine draw the snowman face. When drawing finishes, unload your mat, remove the pen, and load your second mat with all of your colored pieces. Let the machine cut each section, and we're ready for assembly. For assembly, all you need is paper adhesive. I'm using my favorite Barely Arts Precision Craft Glue. I've linked it in the description box below. Place each cut piece on top of the outline the Cricut machine drew before you glue everything down. Remember, gray snowflakes and stars, black eyes, red mouth, orange carrot nose. Once everything is glued to the front of your bag, your Snowman gift bag is complete. Head over to part 3 to learn how to DIY your very own printable tissue paper. Like and subscribe before you leave, and let me know in the comments if this is something you would DIY for this upcoming holiday season. Happy crafting!